to my channel. Y'all already know what we finna do. We finna get into it. So y'all, I finally got the no-bake cheesecake. Finally, honey. Why does it feel a little soft? It feels extra soft. It's been in the refrigerator. I don't know. Is it supposed to feel soft like this? I finally got some for you big up here that had it sold out for 2 whole weeks. I've been trying to get a hold of this no-bake cheesecake. Literally, I had to get it from somewhere else. But anyway, we finna make 2 versions, 2 big bag versions. We finna make the Biscoff version where we have the Biscoff cookies and the Biscoff butter. And then we finna make the banana pudding low-key one with the caramel drizzle or whatever. Oh yeah, we got the little strawberry toppings for the Biscoff. I don't know. Yeah, it's real big background, this bitch. So boom, I'm gonna start by opening everything up. I will be recording for TikTok as well, so bear with me, guys. Like, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Got to do a content simple. Yeah. So yeah, Biscoff no-bake cheesecake shit with me, and I finally got a hold to it after 2 whole weeks of you big bitches done had it sold out. I finally got me some. Like, damn, is it that deep? The fuck? But anyway, let's make 2 big bag versions. We finna make the Biscoff version and we finna make the banana pudding low-key version, whatever. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2 as well. Simple. So boom, I feel like first we're gonna make the Biscoff one because of the simple fact of but so I'm gonna open everything really quickly while we off the screen and stuff, because you know I don't want it to be like in a situation where like, you know, I have to do all this extra stuff on camera when I could have just been prepared and had everything here. But yeah, y'all, so I'm interested to try it. Everybody's saying it was good. Everybody's saying that, oh, y'all big bags, y'all shouldn't be doing it like that and all this extra stuff. Okay, who gives a fuck, you know? So I'm finna just, yeah, I hope this shit busts down too. I really do hope it busts down. It better. Simple. So I got everything prepared, got these prepared. Let me take these off or whatever so I can just have it already. Yeah, we ain't got time for all that today. Simple. Take the tops off, take the lids off. Now she don't want to open up. You don't want to open up. Dang. Oh, look how perfect it is. It is so sweet. No-bake cheesecake. Why does it smell like that? Oh, I thought I was tripping, baby. I'm about to say, this ain't no good, boo. This ain't no good. Ooh, I can't wait to take pictures and stuff. Y'all, I'm real big back. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. So, boom, we have the no-bake plain. And we have this boom. So, I'm going to do one by one for the simple fact of I got to get through content. So, and I don't want to get distracted, you know, about what I'm supposed to put in what. So, we're going to put this to the side. We're going to do the Biscoff one first, which is really simple. And we're just going to stick the cookies on the inside. I think we're supposed to put this in a microwave. I don't know. But I'll try to put it in the microwave. I don't know what they said put it in the microwave on. I don't know what they said put it in the microwave on. I'm scared to put it in the microwave because what if it melts? I don't know. Y'all, help me. I'm just going to do it anyway. Okay, so boom. We got the Biscoff cookies. We got the no-bake cheesecake. And we got the little strawberries. So they said just stick the little cookies, the big black cookies. Y'all, this is real big black. I ain't even gonna lie. You know how many calories this is? They said 12 cookies. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, this is too much. I'm gonna have to put more than, hold on, 9, 10, 11. Oh, we just gotta make this real big bag, real cutesy, real quick. You know what I'm saying? We gotta make it real cutesy, real cutesy. Okay, so boom. I feel like I got enough cookies on the inside, y'all. What y'all feel about that? I feel like that's enough cookies. That's too much. That's too much. So boom. So yeah, I think we're supposed to put the strawberries on top now. I don't know. Strawberries on top. The strawberry spread. Oh, this looks so big bag. This looks so big bag. And of course, I'm using half of a can. Half of a can, not a whole. Half. Because I see some of y'all running off the damn side. That's too much. Damn, little mamas. That's too much. That's too fucking much. All right now. Simmer down. All right, you don't get all that glaze out of there. We ain't wasting nothing. We finna smooth it over. Just like that right there. I want it real nice and pretty. Real nice and pretty. All right, so now we done with that. Gonna put that to the side now. What you finna do is finna do some real bad shit. Crumble up the cookies. Crumble, crumble. Step the cookies up for they crumble, ho. Yeah, simple. So you're finna crumble up the cookies, you know, just like that right there. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I'm trying not to get the stuff on the table, girl. You might as well just go ahead and just do that one, because you don't have to clean this up anyway. But okay, so boom. I feel like I got enough. Oop, I got enough on there. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? This is what it's giving so far. Like, ooh, ah. So now I gotta warm up the Biscoff butter. I think. So we're gonna put the Biscoff butter in the microwave. Ooh, shit, that's too much. Okay, so while that's in the microwave, I'm going to actually wash this off and yeah, clean up my area. Clean up my area really quickly. Get prepared for the next one. Keep it clean. But y'all, look how it's looking. Y'all, do y'all see? Oh, a cookie trying to come off. Like, come on now. Come on. Why is all this stuff on the table, girl? Why is stuff on the table? Like, why? But yeah, so y'all can get a good look. Oh. You know what? I'm ready to eat. Simple. I still gotta make this one. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I hope it ain't burning. Y'all, it didn't burn. I'm excited. Because it's actually like, yeah. So boom, we finna drizzle this bitch. I'm finna get y'all real close so y'all can see me drizzle it. Ooh. Okay, so boom. Y'all, look at these. I'm finna drizzle it like a real big bad bitch. I'm finna try to drizzle it. Ooh, do some little swirls. I'm finna just do swirls. I'm winging it. Ah! You know what? Damn. Just fucked it up. I was doing swirls. And it just done pulled out just like that right there. Anyway, honey, it smells delicioso. Oh my gosh. All right, so boom. Let's get into part 2. We have to make the strawberry banana. Let's get into the part 2 because we gotta make the banana pudding. Stay tuned for part 2. Step up. Okay, guys, so this is what this one is looking like. It is salty. I ain't really never had Biscoff butter, but it's good. But anyway, y'all, look how it's looking. This shit is so good. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so boom. I'm finna get a quick picture really quickly of this. And then we finna head straight on into, you know, we got to, yeah. Also, we're gonna set this one to the side. Actually, we're gonna set that one to the side. We're gonna put that one right there. So boom, get all this stuff to the side. All this stuff to the side. I gotta wipe this off. Ooh, it's still hot. It's still dripping. Y'all, this stuff I got everywhere. Like, what the world? Like, what the world? Okay, so boom. Now we got the banana. Part 2, bitches. Yeah, get in there like booty here. We done already made this one. So now, let's get into the banana pudding one. So boom, I got my, oh my gosh, look at this stuff just get everywhere. You know what? I might as well just use the rest of this napkin then. Might as well just use the rest of it. Because why? Anyway, y'all, so we got the caramel drizzle, we got the banana, and we got the vanilla with ice. So boom, the way I seen them do it, I just seen them literally like stick the dang on vanilla wafers just right on in there. Just like so. So we finna stick hella. We finna make this extra big bag. Do you hear me? Extra big bag. Ain't no shame in our games, boo. This is a once in a lifetime thing. Cause baby, I'm not doing this no more. Do y'all know how many calories? We ain't even finna get on that. We ain't even finna get on that. Look, I can't even wait till it done. I can't even wait till it done. I can't even wait till it done. I can't even wait. Okay, so boom. I'm finna stuff it real good with all the cookies. Stuff it. Stuff it real good. Stuff a whole bunch of cookies in there. Stuff a whole bunch of cookies in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, I feel like I don't put enough cookies in there. They acting like they don't want to sit at the bottom. So now we got the banana. Boom. We finna chop up the banana. Really, really quickly. Chop. Chop. No, seriously, let me stop playing for real. Let me cut this banana right now because I don't want no fat ass slices for real. Alright, so simple, 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 simple. I was thinking I wasn't gonna do a whole banana, but I think I do. So we just gonna put the bananas on there like that, right there, right there. Put the bananas on top like that. Put it on. I think I need a whole banana. I don't need 2 bananas, but I think I need a whole one. I don't think I need 2, but I think, yeah. Yeah. Y'all, this is so simple. I see why it was sold out because it's so easy to do. It's so simple. Like, you don't really have to do nothing. You can make this literally in like 5 minutes. Like, if you have everything you need, you can literally make this in 5 minutes. Like, it's nothing. Like, that's why I see why it was sold out for so long. But you big bad bitches done overdid it. Every time something go viral, y'all overdo it. Damn. Sick of it. So boom, now we got the bananas all up there just like that. So we finna be even further of a big bag. And you know what we're finna do? We're finna crunch up some of these vanilla wafers and put it on the top. Like this. Like a big bag. If we gonna be big, we might as well just be big. Like, come on now. Y'all do what it was, Yeah. I feel like that was enough. I'm gonna have to clean all this shit up. So now we got the caramel syrup. I really don't like caramel, but we just gonna make it do what it do, babe. So yeah, let's get it to her. Y'all gonna see me drizzle, drizzle. Drizzle. Oh, do I never get over you until I find. Okay, I ain't gonna overdo it. I ain't gonna overdo it. Okay, so boom. Ooh, look how it's looking, y'all. This looks so good, y'all. So now we're done. Yay. So boom. We finna give this hoe a taste test. Try the no-bake cheesecake with me. Yeah, 2 weeks later. Anyway, so boom. As y'all can see, I done made both versions or whatever. They done made bukus of versions. Look, listen, Linda. Yeah, I done made the regular strawberry and the Biscoff. And I did the vanilla wafers and the caramel drizzle and the bananas. No, I didn't let it sit because I'm a big baby. Okay, simple. So first we're gonna try this one. Let's get into her. Let's do her Zana. Get a little close up, like so. See, so cute. So boom, we just gonna dive right on in the middle because everybody been hyping this up. Like I need to see why it has been sold out for so long. Like, come on now. Like, yeah. I know I'm supposed to let it sit. I might let it sit later on, but I'm gonna put the top back on. All right. So boom. First bite. Hold on, wait. I gotta get a little more cookie on there. Get a little more cookie on there. Okay, so boom. Get a little more cheesecake. I gotta get a big bite. I can't get no little bite. Come on, be for real now. All right. First bite. Oh, it's cold. Wait. Y'all had a point. Okay. Y'all had a point. I'll give y'all that. I'll give y'all that. All right, now we're gonna try this one. This is like the banana pudding version. Oh, that's actually good. That's too many calories though. 8 servings per container. Oh my god. Okay, let's get into this one. I'm excited for this one though, cause bitch, I know this gonna be good. I just know it is. Okay, I gotta get a little banana. Get a little everything. A little banana. I need a little vanilla wafer. I need banana, vanilla wafer, everything. Big bites around this stuff. Okay, so boom. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I've been trying to lose weight. But no. You bitches had to come on here with this. I'm supposed to be on a diet right now. Look. Waist trainer on. Y'all done did it now. Okay. Not gonna lie. This one right here. This one right here. 10s. I'll take this one over this one any day. And I see why y'all done did that. I see why I was calling y'all all types of big bad bitches for doing this. I'm so sorry. This is actually better than this one. I give this one a 7 out of 10. I give this one a 10 out of 10. Real good, too. Go ahead and get that if y'all can. And y'all, this is so good. But I'm supposed to be on a diet. Like, oh my gosh. Especially this one. I feel so big. I could only take 2 scoops of each. Because, girl, no. We supposed to be on a diet. You supposed to be on a diet. Like, girl, what going on? But anyway, y'all, if y'all like this video, if y'all like type of stuff like this right here, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm finna go ahead and get out of here because, you know, I got stuff to do, honey. I got, yeah, go pick up my son. I'm trying to find that video that I seen. I thought I sent it to myself. I guess I didn't. Anyway, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Do y'all want another mukbang? Did y'all try to no bake cheesecake yet? Y'all, let me know what y'all think. Is this too big bag? Would y'all try? Let me know. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.